How to change language on Instagram. Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change language on your Instagram. Just follow me in this video till the end. So let's start. First you need to open your Instagram first. Then after this, what you should do, you have just to come here to your profile, open your profile like I'm doing, and come here on this three line at the corner of the screen. Then open your settings and privacy and scroll down until you found this option right here. Wait, languages. Click on it, and here you can change it, the language, from the language that you have, for example English, for example, to Filipino, French, Italiano, everything. That's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like and support us by subscribing our channel. See you in another video.